Close your eyes for a moment. Think of a time when something happened that made your heart overflow with gratitude. Got one in mind? Today, let's skip the small talk and dive right into something meaningful. We're talking about how these quiet blessings, the ones that touch your heart, can be captured through journaling. These are more than just words on a page. They're reminders of why faith matters. And trust me, you'll want to stay with me because this practice can bring you closer to God's grace. When was the last time you felt a sense of calm, like something or someone was looking out for you? Maybe it was a kind gesture or a peaceful moment after a hard day. Let's create your personal blessing map together. Begin with a circle. Think of it as your sacred center. Inside, write down the blessing that speaks to your heart right now. Something you're truly grateful for. Picture it as a tiny glowing light at the center of the page, something you can always return to when you need a moment of peace or a reminder of hope. From this center, let your thoughts branch outward, like sun rays stretching in every direction. On each line, write one way this blessing touches your life, even in small, ordinary ways. Does it bring you closer to those you love? Inspire you to show kindness to others? Or maybe it's something simple like feeling more relaxed or connected to yourself. Each line you draw helps you discover just how deep and meaningful one blessing can be. As you map it out, notice how even the smallest gifts can bring purpose to your day. Pause the video here if you need more time to create your map. And remember, share your gratitude map with our community using hashtag FaithfulReflections and tag 3 friends who inspire gratitude in your life. Together, we can inspire each other to see the beauty in our blessings. As you share, you may even find others who connect with your reflections, forming a circle of gratitude that grows beyond just your journal. Imagine the joy in realizing that your gratitude could encourage someone else on their journey of faith. Go ahead. Take a moment to share your blessings and see how they can ripple out and touch others. Take a moment now. Think of a recent blessing that felt like a lifeline. Jot it down, even if it's just one word. This could be the start of something truly powerful. Sometimes we overlook the blessings that don't come wrapped in grand gestures, like a kind word from a friend, a warm hug, or even a quiet morning that brings peace before a busy day. These small moments are like seeds that grow over time, quietly enriching our lives. When you start to write them down, it's as if you're collecting little pieces of hope, each one a reminder of God's presence in your life. Every time you return to these entries, they become more than just words. They're milestones of your journey, reflections of your growth, and evidence of faith in action. So let's start by recognizing even the tiniest blessings and feel how they connect to the bigger picture of your life. Let's take 30 seconds together. Breathe deeply. Picture your blessing. Feel its impact in your life. Let it fill you with peace and gratitude as you remember why it matters. Take in every detail. How does that make you feel? Why is it so precious? This blessing is more than just a moment. It's a reminder of everything you hold close to your heart. Use these few seconds to reflect, to pause, and let that feeling deepen. When you open your eyes, carry this blessing with you, letting it guide you through today and every day. When we let these moments pass without truly reflecting on them, they can fade. But by putting them on paper, you're building a collection of reminders of resilience, of grace, of faith that keeps us grounded. In those pages, you're gathering bits of hope, courage, and love that can uplift you when life feels heavy. And sometimes it's these little reminders that can keep our spirits light and guide us back to what matters. Journaling these blessings becomes a practice, a way to stay mindful and intentional about the things that make us feel whole. With each entry, you're weaving a personal story of faith and gratitude, one that you can look back on in challenging times or share with someone else who might need a little encouragement. These small acts of gratitude can be just what we need to remember that our lives are filled with grace and purpose, even in the quietest moments. Grab your journal and start small. Write as if you're talking to yourself. Don't worry about getting it perfect. Just be real. Faith is about what's honest in your heart. Your journey of faithful reflection starts with this single moment. Take your pen, open your heart, and let's begin this sacred practice together. Remember, every blessing noted is a step closer to deeper faith. Like, subscribe, and share to journey together. Explore more videos to keep your faith growing.